The whole idea was kids learn how do one an enterprise work, how does a startup work. Second, how do their interest and passion fit in a startup environment. Every week is a new theme wherein they explore different areas of a startup. Right now, we could see entire designing team has been split into two parts. So these students are really good at making hands-on products, and the other team is actually very good at imagining, and their skills lies in being very artistic and giving final touch and polish to different products.
I make pipe and this all make rolls.
Again, it flows in the form of an assembly line wherein initial two kids are just designing paper tubes. Next two kids are folding those papers in the form of rolls, and finally two kids are actually putting a glue to it and passing it forward. Four of them are actually right now designing 4 to 5 prototypes, which would be sent to surveying team further.
This is pen stand. Here we had made a roll and we have taken drawing paper and on that we had taken black paper and we have drawn some paintings. We have made 30-40.
Surveying would look at those prototypes and design a survey questionnaire around it, which would be sent to target audience. The target audience for a pen stand is college goers, so they'll take this survey out in college to, a target audience of 20-25 people.
We have take survey to other teachers before making the product.
At the same time, simultaneously, finance and budgeting team in school actually prepare a rough analysis of as to how much resources do we need and how much money do we need for this entire product.
We make a list of things that we want to make the product. I write the amount of things. It will cost 240 of the photo frame and 80 of the pen stand.
By the time they are done with their analysis and by the time surveying team is done with their survey and results, the results are once sent to designing and manufacturing team, and second copy is being sent to resource management team. There onwards, resource management start their work of gathering resources.
I am a team of resource management. They need something, then I give them something. They need paper rolls, paper stick, and that chart papers, paint.
And design and manufacturing teams start their work of designing products. And, and finally, it again comes down to designing the production part of the team, wherein they finalize the products and just out with operations team finalizing it and ready to be sold. So every team has got a vice president. Vice president is a point of contact between their teams and across different teams. For example, for designing and manufacturing, Pranav is their vice president. So at the end of the day, Pranav will collect all these prototypes and forward it to vice president of this production team. Production team's vice president would actually take all of those products and meet vice president of budgeting and finance. At a later stage, when kids leave, in the end, these four kids, along with CEO, sit back together, take feedback, one round of feedback from we teachers, second round of feedback from other teachers in the school, and third round of feedback from, product users. And next day, during center hours, first, 20 minutes is spent wherein these kids brief their team as to what is the feedback and how do we go about today.